Hello, greetings everyone. I'm here introducing a new product that I have. It's a car air freshener. Can be a home air freshener as well, but it's not any normal type of air freshener that you will know about. This is a solar plane air freshener. I have two types of plane and a helicopter. I'll show you the helicopter in a moment. Now, the way how these work, okay, there is a pad, a sticky pad here that you can just take it off. This is the dashboard here. You take off this tape backing and you can just stick it on your dashboard like that. And now for this one, the way how it works is you get your air freshener, your special type of air freshener that you prefer, and they come with this tube that you can just put inside the, I'm not gonna put any right now, but you can just dip up and just place it there, and the fan, the blade of the plane will kind of like circulate it in the car. Like it's a very nice gadget, toy. Well, I say toy, you might have if you have kids, I believe you might have a bit of a problem with them, keeping the hands off it. But yes, so you just place it here in your car on the dashboard and just enjoy the beauty of solar power working in a minimal fashion. And now this is the other type. The blades are spinning like very fast, but the camera is not picking it up that well. This is the other type. Now for this one, it comes with a packing that you have to tear this piece here. This is the air freshener tube it comes with. Now taking off this back behind here. Push this up inside of there. Put this on. And the air freshener will circulate. But you can also spray like your special type of air freshener that you want. Also, you can spray on it and put it inside the day, and it will do the same effect. Now, those are the two types of planes that I have. I have black, silver, and red in this one. Only silver available in this one. Now this is the helicopter type. It's very sleek and nice. Now the way how this one is to work, you gotta just turn this piece under here, take it out, and use the same tube for your air freshener. You just dip up some, placing it inside the day like that. And after doing that, you just put this back on like this, give it a turn to lock it. This also comes with the pad. It comes with an adhesive pad. This pad will be placing under here to stick on your dashboard. Now it don't have to be in your vehicle. It can also be at your home, by a window side, that kind of thing. Very nice gadget, very sleek. Only available at Photovoltage Supplies at the moment. Thank you very much for watching.